Have you got a garden? You have probably spotted a plant that has stunning, huge, trumpet-shaped flowers on it. It's hibiscus, a brightly colored perennial flowering plant that blooms year-round. As lovely as it may be to look at, hibiscus has even greater health benefits. In particular, hibiscus tea. Want to learn more about this plant that improves health? In this video, we'll talk about 8 potent advantages of consuming hibiscus tea on a daily basis. Let's get going. Hibiscus tea. What is it? So how can I get there? Hints about hibiscus tea. Are you curious about the hibiscus tea that's all the rage these days? Made with freshly infused hibiscus flower petals and water, it's a nutritious beverage. It can be had as a replacement to tea or coffee in the morning, or at any time of the day. Here's how to prepare this cool drink. Pick a fresh hibiscus flower and remove all of the petals in order to create 1 cup of hibiscus tea. After giving them a good cleaning, put them in a saucepan with 1 cup of water. Warm it up. Turn off the heat source and place a lid on the pan as soon as the water reaches a boiling point. After allowing the petals to steep for 2 to 3 minutes, pour the water out into a cup. You can drink it straight or with a few drops of lemon juice and honey added. Let's move on to the health advantages of hibiscus tea. Take in a ton of antioxidants. Sip hibiscus tea to obtain a wealth of antioxidants. The health benefits of antioxidants are well known. They guard your body against free radical damage and shield you against long-term illnesses and early aging. Are you unsure of what free radicals are? I'll explain. Your body produces free radicals from 2 sources: regular cell metabolism and outside factors including pollution, tobacco smoke, and medications. The buildup of free radicals in your body results in oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major factor in the onset of degenerative and chronic diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, cataracts, and cancer. The remarkable thing is that your body produces antioxidants to combat this oxidative stress. Your body either naturally produces them or obtains them from diet. One such wonderful source of antioxidants to help combat these free radicals is hibiscus. Important antioxidants including beta-carotene and vitamin C are found in hibiscus. It has significant levels of anthocyanins as well. These antioxidants are essential for defending against oxidative damage. Additionally, science has discovered some very strong evidence. People with the connective tissue damaging Marfan syndrome were the subject of one particular investigation. The findings demonstrated that hibiscus extract enhanced blood antioxidant levels and reduced oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Researchers have also looked into how hibiscus extract affects animals. According to a rat study, hibiscus extract shielded the rodent cells from harm. 2. Hibiscus tea is a reliable resource for blood pressure management. Maintain blood pressure control. Since hypertension typically exhibits no symptoms, it is sometimes referred to as the silent killer. However, it is severely pressuring your heart, causing havoc inside your body. Heart disease can become a life-threatening condition if left untreated. You might try incorporating hibiscus tea into your regular diet if you are predisposed to high blood pressure. It has the ability to reduce blood pressure both diastolically and systolically. The indicator of when your heart is contracting is called the systolic level. When the blood pressure is relaxed, it is measured at the diastolic level. Studies suggest that this might be the case. For a month, 2 participant groups were involved in a study. Group B received a placebo, while Group A received hibiscus tea on a daily basis. The subjects in Group A had significantly reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure, according to the findings. A second analysis of multiple research was done to determine the degree of effect hibiscus tea had on blood pressure. Over 7 millimeters of mercury were lost on average from the systolic blood pressure and over 3 millimeters of mercury were lost from the diastolic blood pressure. Fantastic! Is it not? However, just a word of caution. Although hibiscus tea may lower blood pressure, it should never be used in place of medical attention for hypertension. Before making any significant dietary or treatment plan adjustments, speak with your doctor. Boost the cholesterol levels in your blood. 3. Use hibiscus tea to lower your blood cholesterol levels. Tea made from hibiscus flowers lowers blood pressure and raises cholesterol levels. Raises blood cholesterol levels? Wait, what is meant by that? You ought to always have low cholesterol, right? Immediately upon hearing the word cholesterol, we associate it with being the greatest threat to our well-being. However, not all of the cholesterol in your body is harmful. Actually, your body produces two different kinds of cholesterol: LDL, or bad cholesterol, and HDL, or good cholesterol. For a number of bodily processes, your body needs healthy cholesterol. Maintaining a higher level of good cholesterol than bad cholesterol is crucial for overall health. Additionally, your body's free radicals can oxidatively degrade cholesterol. It may be harmful if the LDL cholesterol is oxidized. By obstructing your arteries, it is essentially putting you on the path to heart disease. Antioxidants found in hibiscus stop this from occurring. They maintain the health of your heart by lowering the amount of LDL oxidation. A study involving 60 individuals with diabetes was carried out. For a month, they were either given black tea or hibiscus tea. Higher levels of good cholesterol and lower levels of bad cholesterol were observed in the people who consumed hibiscus tea. An additional investigation was carried out on elderly individuals with metabolic syndrome. Every day, 100 grams of hibiscus extract were administered to the participants. The findings, which indicated a drop in total cholesterol and an increase in good cholesterol, were consistent. Are you curious as to whether other drinks have the same effect as hibiscus tea? Studies support hibiscus tea. Research comparing the efficacy of hibiscus tea to other types of tea has revealed that hibiscus tea lowers bad cholesterol more successfully than other tea varieties. Take care of your liver. 4. Drinking hibiscus tea helps protect your liver. The liver is an essential organ that transforms food into proteins and lipids by breaking it down. This way, it guarantees that the food you've consumed gives your body the energy and nutrition it needs. Aiding in the removal of toxins from your body so they don't remain in your bloodstream for an extended period of time is another crucial job of the liver. Maintaining the health of your liver is essential to a long and fulfilling life. Hibiscus tea might assist your liver in performing its functions more effectively if you consistently consume it. Science backs up this assertion. A specific investigation was carried out with subjects who had liver steatosis. It is a disease that results in liver failure and fat accumulation. The outcomes demonstrated that consuming hibiscus tea for a whole year enhanced the state of their livers. Numerous investigations conducted on animals have also demonstrated the benefits of hibiscus tea for liver function. Hamsters administered hibiscus extract were the subject of a study. According to the findings, there was a notable decline in the indicators of liver injury. Rats that were fed a high-fat diet were used in another investigation. The outcomes demonstrated that hibiscus extract improved fatty liver disease. Relax. The secret to living a long, healthy life is maintaining the health of your liver. In addition to following a diet that is good for your liver, you should be aware of the early warning indicators that indicate a problem with your liver. Watch this video to find out more information about it. 5. Break the weight loss plateau. Hibiscus tea can assist in overcoming the plateau. Green tea is the first tea that springs to mind when I suggest drinking tea to lose weight. Green tea's health advantages and ability to help people lose weight have led to its tremendous appeal. However, this also applies to hibiscus tea. Daily hibiscus tea use can help prevent obesity and aid in weight loss. Results from a research with overweight participants seem encouraging. For a period of 12 weeks, the subjects were given hibiscus tea. The waist-to-hip ratio and body weight of hibiscus tea drinkers were both lower, according to the findings. Studies on animals were also done to see whether hibiscus extract was useful in helping people lose weight. The findings indicate that hibiscus not only helps people lose weight but also suppresses appetite and prevents the formation of fat cells. If you're trying to lose weight, hibiscus tea would be a terrific addition to your usual diet. Keep yourself safe from cancer. 6. Every day take hibiscus tea to prevent cancer. The anti-cancer properties of hibiscus may surprise you. It is loaded in polyphenols, a class of substance that effectively inhibits the growth of cancer cells. Hibiscus has been demonstrated in numerous test tube tests to be highly efficient against cancer cells. In one study, oral and plasma cell malignancies were treated in a test tube using hibiscus extract. The extract inhibited the proliferation of cancer cells and decreased their ability to infiltrate, according to the data. Similar outcomes were noted in a different test tube investigation on prostate cancer cells. Although further research is needed in this area, the available data clearly indicates that hibiscus extract does stop cancer cells from spreading. 7. Use hibiscus tea to prevent the growth of bacteria. Destroy any bacterial development. Most infections are mostly caused by bacteria. These tiny, single-celled germs cause a number of illnesses, including urinary tract infections and the flu. The health benefits of hibiscus tea begin with its antioxidant and anti-cancer characteristics. You may now expand the list to include the capacity to fend off bacterial illnesses. The impact of hibiscus extract on Escherichia coli was investigated in a test tube experiment. The bacterial infection E. coli can result in cramps, diarrhea, and gas. The outcomes demonstrated that hibiscus inhibited E. coli activity. Hibiscus extract was tested in a test tube experiment against 8 distinct kinds of bacteria. However, it didn't stop the hibiscus. The outcomes demonstrated that hibiscus had an equivalent effect on bacterial infections as medicine would. Nonetheless, this does not imply that you should stop seeing your physician if you have bacterial illnesses. It is always advisable to consult your healthcare physician prior to making any significant dietary or treatment plan modifications. Reviving flavor. 8. The most delightful aspect of hibiscus tea is its invigorating flavor. Are you still not persuaded by hibiscus tea's incredible health benefits? You must first give it a try. The mouth-watering flavor will definitely win you over. Hippopotamia tea is delicious hot, cold, or just heated. In contrast to other teas that could taste bitter, hibiscus tea is adaptable and refreshing. Typically, hibiscus tea tastes like tarts or cranberries. You are welcome to add some honey to sweeten the beverage if you don't like the flavor. Or, you might dilute the acidity by including a small amount of lime juice. Personally, I enjoy using a small amount of black salt. You were already given the recipe at the start of the video. Pour yourself a cup, and don't forget to let us know in the comments how the taste appeals to you. Undoubtedly, hibiscus tea is very beneficial to your health. However, what about other teas that you might not be consuming, such as clove tea? Tell us in the comments section below.